Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads, adventure seekers, and pickup lovers, get ready! The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz is here, and it's bringing the heat to the compact truck game like never before. It's part SUV, part truck, all attitude. Hyundai has given this beast a fresh new look, some serious tech upgrades, and oh yeah, more power. We're about to break down everything that makes the 2025 Santa Cruz one of the most exciting compact pickups of the year. Buckle up, because this is gonna be wild. Alright, let's talk power because this little truck is packing some serious punch. The 2025 Santa Cruz comes with two engine options, but trust me, one of them is a game changer. The base model rocks a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 191 horsepower. It's smooth, efficient, and great for daily driving. But if you want to unlock the true potential of this truck, say hello to the turbocharged 2.5-liter monster. 281 horsepower, 311 lb-ft of torque, and a 0-60 time of just 6.0 seconds. That's pickup truck speed on sports car levels. And if you love adventure, the X-Trim comes locked and loaded with all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and a rugged front end ready to take on anything. Need to tow? The turbocharged Santa Cruz lets you haul up to 5,000 pounds, matching the big boys like the Ford Maverick and Honda Ridgeline. And the best part, this thing isn't just quick, it's refined. The ride is smooth, quiet, and crazy comfortable, whether you're carving city streets or heading out on a weekend road trip. Bottom line, if you want a truck that's compact, capable, and actually fun to drive, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz just raised the bar. Alright, power is great, but what about efficiency? Because let's be real, nobody wants a truck that guzzles gas like it's going out of style. The 2025 Santa Cruz with the standard 2.5 liters engine gets 22 mpg in the city and 26 on the highway, solid numbers for a pickup. Add all-wheel drive, you lose just 1 mpg in both categories. Now, if you want that 281 horsepower turbocharged beast, you'll still get 19 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. Now, let's talk about style, because this truck doesn't just perform. It looks badass doing it. For 2025, Hyundai cranked up the rugged factor with a fresh new grille, a bolder bumper, and some seriously aggressive LED headlights that scream "get out of my way." But if you really want to stand out, check out the X-Trim matte black fenders, all-terrain tires, and a front end that looks like it's ready to eat dirt for breakfast. Every inch of this truck is designed for adventure. You've got body color or matte black side mirrors with turn signals, roof rails for extra cargo, and an integrated tonneau cover to keep your gear safe. And let's not forget the bed-lockable under-bed storage, sidewall compartments, and a heavy-duty utility track system. This thing is like a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Oh, and if you're loading up at night, boom, LED cargo lights to keep the party going. Bottom line, whether you're cruising the city or conquering the trails, the 2025 Santa Cruz makes a statement. This truck doesn't blend in, it takes over. Alright, so we know the 2025 Santa Cruz looks fierce on the outside, but step inside, and boom, you're in a whole new world of comfort and luxury. First off, Hyundai keeps setting the bar high when it comes to interiors. You're looking at premium materials, a fully digital gauge cluster, and seating that's as cozy as your favorite recliner. Need to stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Boom, heated and ventilated seats. And the driver gets an 8-way power seat with lumbar support because, let's be honest, road trips demand maximum comfort. Even the back seats get love. Plenty of legroom, comfy cushions, and check this hidden storage compartments under the seats. Who doesn't love sneaky storage? And for those late night drives, 64 color ambient lighting lets you set the perfect mood. Want neon blue? Done. Sunset orange? Gotcha. This truck lets you control the vibe. And let's not forget the massive center console, big enough to hold all your road trip snacks, your phone, and probably a small puppy. But you know, let's stick to snacks. Now this is where the 2025 Santa Cruz flexes hard. Look at this dual 2.3-inch screens, seamlessly curved together like something out of a sci-fi movie. And yes, Hyundai finally gave us wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more dealing with messy cables. Just hop in, sync up, and go. This system is smooth, super fast touch response, crisp graphics, and even an updated voice assistant that actually understands what you're saying. Oh, and check this, Hyundai went full 007 with a fingerprint scanner. Start your truck, set your drive modes, all with just a tap. And for the first time ever, Hyundai Pay. That means you can pay for parking, gas, or even coffee right from your truck. Talk about next level convenience. And let's not forget the sound system. Bose Premium Audio turns your cabin into a concert. Whether it's bass-heavy beats or chill acoustic vibes, this system slaps. Alright, let's talk safety, because looking cool is great, but staying safe is what really matters. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz is loaded with smart tech that watches your back, your front, and even your sides. Standard on every Santa Cruz, we've got forward collision avoidance assist to help prevent accidents before they happen. And with blind spot monitoring, this truck has eyes where you don't. Try to merge when there's a car in your blind spot. Boom, visual and audio alerts let you know to hold up. Long road trip? No problem. Lane keeping assist and smart cruise control make highway driving a total breeze. Just set your speed and let the truck handle the rest. Tight parking spots? We got you. Rear cross traffic alert and a 360-degree camera make backing up and parallel parking easy. And of course, Hyundai doesn't mess around with safety ratings. The Santa Cruz is built tough, loaded with airbags, and designed to protect you and your passengers. Now, let's talk size, because this truck is compact, but it's packing some serious capability. The Santa Cruz measures 195.7 inches in length, with a 118.3-inch wheelbase that's shorter than most mid-size trucks, making it super agile in the city. You ever try to park a full-size truck in a tight lot? Yeah, not fun. But the Santa Cruz? Easy to park, easy to maneuver, and still built for adventure. Now, check this out. Hyundai gives you a 4-foot composite bed, but it's not just any bed. It's got lockable under-bed storage, sidewall compartments, and even a factory-installed integrated tonneau cover. That means whether you're hauling bikes, camping gear, or weekend DIY supplies, this truck has room for it all. And for those who need to tow, go for the turbocharged engine and unlock 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. That's enough for a small boat, ATVs, or even a camper. Inside, you've got room for 5 passengers, plus extra storage under the seats for all your gear. Compact, versatile, and adventure-ready, the Santa Cruz proves that big capability comes in a sleek, city-friendly package. Alright, performance isn't just about power, it's about control. And let me tell you, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz handles like a dream. Unlike traditional body-on-frame trucks, the Santa Cruz uses a unibody design, the same engineering you'd find in a sporty SUV. That means you get the strength of a truck, but with way smoother handling and tighter cornering. Hyundai gave this baby an independent multi-link rear suspension, and that's a big deal. While other trucks might bounce around on rough roads, the Santa Cruz stays planted, stable, and super comfortable. Taking it off-road? The X trim brings all-terrain tires, beefier shocks, and extra ground clearance, so whether it's dirt, gravel, or snow, you're ready to rip. And on long drives? Minimal body roll, light steering, and a quiet cabin make this one of the smoothest, most refined rides in the compact truck world. SUV comfort, truck capability, and sports car-like handling, yeah, the Santa Cruz does it all. Buying a truck? You want it to last. And Hyundai is one of the most reliable brands in the game. They don't just talk the talk. Hyundai backs the Santa Cruz with the best warranty in the business. You get a 5-year or 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Yeah, you heard that right, 10 years. And to top it off, 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary maintenance. That means free oil changes, tire rotations, and checkups for the first 3 years. Hyundai makes sure your truck stays in top shape, hassle-free, and if you're worried about durability, Hyundai built this thing tough with a high-strength steel frame, advanced corrosion protection, and a drivetrain built to go the distance. So, while other trucks might leave you guessing, Hyundai's got your back for the long haul. Alright, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz starts at $29,895 for the base SE model, but if you want all the power and features, the fully loaded limited trim tops out at $43,895, SE $29,895 too. 5L engine, FWD, 2.3-inch touchscreen, safety features, sell $32,495 AWD option. Heated seats, power driver's seat, $41,495 turbo engine, AWD, all-terrain tires, rugged styling, limited $43,895 turbo engine, AWD, dual 2.3-inch screens, premium audio. No matter which trim you go for, you're getting a compact truck that drives like an SUV, hauls like a champ, and looks like nothing else on the road. Want the best mix of power, capability, and value? The X is our pick, turbocharged, AWD, and packed with off-road goodies. So there you have it, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Sporty, versatile, unapologetically different, SUV comfort, truck toughness, and tech that'll make you feel like you're in the future. Who says you can't have it all? Would you pick the Santa Cruz over the Maverick? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a crazy auto premiere.